I'm taking this off, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. We about to wait till after open, bro. Forget all of this stuff, bro. We're not about to take a. Again, I would rather take a loss. I would rather take a loss on the stuff that I just absolutely love than to take a loss on the stuff that I already felt like this. You feel what I'm saying?
All right, let's get to it. We already pretty much reviewed. So
let's well, if NQ is low, NAS 100 is high probability, that is something risky because this is the second time that trade haven't worked out. Let's go back to NASDAQ real quick. Remember, on the futures chart, NQ, this candle right here is bullish. NAS 100 is bearish. NAS 100 is the CFD. It's part of the Forex brokers. This is more tailored to Forex right here. But NQ is futures, and there isn't a high probability setup right now. So, yeah, we definitely got to pay attention to that as well. That's why I'm about to start looking at both. If they both not lining up, then I don't know if I would take it or not. The Doyle usually live stream his trades. No, I do this every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, we get on the call together. We take the setup in real time and all of that. But all other days besides Friday, which is webinar day, I just send out my trades. And you have to perform. You have to actually get better with taking the setups. You know what I'm saying? But today we take a setup, we're getting in, we're getting out at the same time, like all that good stuff. But yeah, no, people do get better off of just taking the screenshot setups and making their own decisions. That's how you get better, bro. Like real shit. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is looking terrible, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. We're definitely holding on for sure. We're holding on for sure. The only time I actually used on TradingView to place my trades was that day when it froze. That day that it froze, I couldn't get out of trade, so I had to literally buy the TradeAvate and pay the $10 a month for you to line up the broker with TradingView. Then I closed it, but I don't really like using TradingView like that. Like I like the TradeAvate platform, but there is just freezing all the time. That's why I'm looking for something else because I'm probably going to be trading just strictly off of Interactive Brokers whenever I actually load up a live account with Interactive Brokers. I still haven't yet. I'm still kind of just, getting the feel for it. But, yeah, we just supported 2 losses right there. Man. I ain't even gonna lie. I still don't trust this setup. I don't even care if it push up and it give you a re-entry, get in. I just don't trust this setup right here. Nope. I'm messing with it, bro. 30 close in the zone. I'm really cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is a clear sign that they want to continue to go down. Hold on, let me mark this back up one more time. So this is another thing. This is another thing that I'll be talking about how gaps are working against you. So if you look at where you would be buying at, this is where you would be buying at on this demand. And sign number 1, they didn't close above the 13 MA. Sign number 2, we have a supply that's actually working against you. So we ran into a supply. Remember, if you understand gaps, you will see that, okay, this is a gap right here on this side. Let me take these moving averages off so you can see it. This is a gap right here. We're taking a buy, we're running straight into another supply with a gap, and it holds. So we got a 13 MA holding, and we ran into a supply setup. If it breaks the low of this candle even once, I'm getting out of the trade. Like, I'm getting out of the trade because remember, your stop loss will be right here. So if it break this low, this is how much you have to save yourself some money. That's just what I'm doing on a daily basis. I'm looking at what can work against me. And this right here is going to work against you. And also that 13 MA will work against you if they don't want to continue momentum. But I'm telling you, London has pushed up too much. I just didn't believe in any of this right here. Like, straight, bro. That's why we got to wait and see what we get after the open. Like, for real. Could you explain real quick what is high probability and low probability based off of gap? So low probability setup is aggressive buying and aggressive selling, but it doesn't have a gap directly attached to it. So you will see like something like this. Okay, like this for instance. See this low probability demand NQ right here? This is a demand setup. Some people still would take stuff like this. I don't usually take stuff like this. But this is low probability. This is low probability because if you zoom into the candles that left the zone first, this bearish candle peeked out of it and then closed back in it. And then pushed up with an aggressive bullish candle and came directly back to it. You could take a buy right here and put your stop loss underneath here because this is a low probability setup, and you would be going for a 1-on-1, and your 1-on-1 would be like up in here, and you would have won. This is a low probability demand setup. Okay. Now a high probability demand setup will look something like. I'll find it real quick. Let's just find one real quick. Okay, a high probability supply setup. Let's just put this out here. High probability supply setup, we actually have a gap attached to the supply. So if you look at this, the gap is from right here. That's where the gap is at. Okay, so since we have a gap, we also have a break of structure right here. This low got broken, it came right back to it, no kind of close inside of the zone. Take the sell, stop loss, TP. You feel what I'm saying? So high probability you have a gap, low probability doesn't have a gap. Still supply and demand. It just the high probability have more precision. We know exactly what they want to fill in and where they want to reverse from. But it all depends on the location of the high probability setup because
so essentially what I'm gonna wait on
every single time
is for
timing
price
matters, the structure of
to
the setup matters, and where the EMAs are.
fill this gap right here.
Like look at this. You look at this setup. The 200 EMA is not even directly above. We usually see them
Income maximum
right
with BQB.
but it's not.
I'm waiting on that. It's still in confluence with my
if we want to take a setup like this, where it's kind of in the middle,
my 50 and 200 EMA
underneath the 200, which would be right here.
You got a cleaner break,
right here. It's
cleaner retest.
Directly above here. And if they decide
I'm not thinking price wants to
in the wrong market condition, maybe this would end up going sideways for the rest of the day, and then we're just in more of a ranging market versus a bearish market.
see. We got a weekly engulf.
We're basing this off of market structure, but yeah, bro, this is high probability.
Daily tweets
like
to
I'm
top.
having a whole class today, but it's just I want people to understand. Real talk. But yeah, bro, just look at this.
And on a 4-hour, you see kind of how that candle.
CFDs, forex charts, they be finessing, bro. I'm telling you, bro. This candle was green on NQ. We gotta be careful.
It's weekly engulf, like,
bro.
right here. It's 4-hour. It's 4 engulf.
Yeah, bro, that was a great.
Letting us know this is.
It feels great when you avoid a loss.
See how you got 3 straight bear candles, followed by.
I've been doing this for so long, I still don't like losing. I don't care. But
followed by a bullish candle, a bullish engulfing candle, and right on that 200 EMA.
Yeah, man. And then this is the crazy part. We're dealing with stuff like this on on the forex side, you're dealing with stuff like this, and then you.
So yeah, it's pretty much the same trade we took yesterday, just better.
It's just not worth it, bro. Like I can't believe people are still using Hanko Trade. I swear to God. After all that stuff that happened, y'all people still using it, still pushing it. Like, bro, people just have to learn, bro. People have to learn, bro. I don't know what's going on, bro. People still using it garbage. But you know, you can accept the losses, but not fuck with them. What you mean? I just look at a loss as a business expense. I mean, yeah, it is a business. Like, this is part of the business. Man. This is really part of the business. If you get into day trading, you're going to take losses. It's 100% win rate. It's impossible, bro. If we got 100% win rate, I'm 100K trades, 200K trades. What? Literally, I'm loading up. I might as well go full margin if I know my trade is going to win. We can't do that. I would have been had a 50K day or something if I knew the strategy was going to work every single day.
So yeah, we just waiting for it to tap the zone now for real.
Shit, even 80% for real, damn near impossible. Yeah, what for real? Yeah, this is a great call on waiting. We're gonna wait, bro. We're gonna wait until they wake up the markets. And I also feel like Monday we should definitely wait. We should definitely wait for the New York Stock Exchange. And you can't read my messages. What? What'd you say? I always wanted to know, bro. Like that's the plan when you showed the green candle in the middle of the supply move, make it one supply each. No. Supply and demand, you're gonna want to see aggressive buying. So aggressive buying could be 2 candles. It can be an engulfing pattern, but it has to be a momentum candle. It can't be like just a small little candle. Because sometimes people be trading gaps and not understanding that trading gaps versus trading supply and demand is two different things. Like anybody can trade gaps, bro. Like just seeing a gap, seeing it get filled and go the other way. Like I don't trade that, but people trade it. Like that's not what I'm doing. Like, so supply and demand. So if you're going to want to see consecutive bearish candles or consecutive bullish candle, or if it's not consecutive, some sort of momentum candle, some sort of like you can definitely see that they're pushing the market up with a huge bullish candle or a huge bearish candle. That's really what you want to see. And then on top of that, you want it to have a break of structure too. Like, that's really what you want to see. When they don't have a break of structure, then I mean, don't get me wrong. Sometimes a setup that don't have a break of structure, but going with the trend will win. But for the most part, break of structure will definitely help you on most of these setups that you take, for sure. Now look at this, bro. It's just terrible. Have you ever talked about high probability, low probability, support resistance? No, support resistance is not high probability, low probability. It's just support resistance. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you don't have to overcomplicate support resistance. Yeah. We're a wizard in this shit, man. I'm not a wizard. I just see a lot of stuff that just don't work out, and I just try to avoid it, bro. Like I've seen setups like this happen all the time where it's not lined up with no move average and then it fakes out. That's why I didn't take this up. Nope. I've seen that work out before. And then the fact that two charts, NQ and S100 doesn't look the same, it is more confluence to just not take the trade, bro. That's why I didn't take it, bro. But if I didn't have the experience, I probably would just take it. I probably would just be like, you know what, this looked good. And then we would have another L. Like, bro. I'm like, that's trying to get a win today because we already lost it today. We gotta, because last week was a good week, and I be trying to tell people like you gotta like appreciate those good weeks where you have like a great week, you go 2-0, 3-0, 4-0, and then but after the week is over, you know what I'm saying? That's the past. It doesn't matter anymore. We gotta keep doing it over and over and over again. So like the 30K week that I had last week, it doesn't matter anymore, bro. Like the money is already getting withdrawn. I'm already just focus on it the next day. It don't really matter. You gotta just appreciate the win and then keep it pushing, bro. Like, can't just be like, oh my god, like, I can't believe I did this. Like, how long are we about to be traded? Like, you feel me? We about to be traded for a long time. Why do you think NAS lost? I think NAS lost is because we're already high. Look at where London started. Like, we gotta pay attention to what has happened in the past. We look at London session. London session created a double bottom, and then it pushed up for the rest of the session. And now we're going into New York session, which means one or two things can happen. Either it could be a reversal day, or it can consolidate, or be a continuation type of day. But for the most part, New York likes to do reversals. Like, it's just what it does. It likes to do a reversal. So as I see that we're already too high, I'm like, okay, this setup right here, even though it's looking kind of clear on NAS 100, is not looking clear on NQ or future. So I'm like, no, I'd rather just pass up on it. But I feel like it lost because it was too high, bro. I'll be honest, bro. You're definitely going to want to take some demand setups or some type of support setup up in this area in London. Or even if you look at this trade right here. This trade right here that happened around, what is this? Let's see. This trade that happened around 16. This setup is considered high as well because say if you were trading London session, you would be looking for this demand setup as well. And then you'll see that they have stopped right here. But as they stop right here, look at the moving averages. We're taking
so it looks like it's done to tap the zone
directly above the 13 MA. Like it's like we're not taking a buy that's close to the 200. I mean the 13 MA, if that makes sense. Like we're taking a buy right here versus right here. These are two different type of buy situations because we're breaking the 13 MA in this situation, but we're already broken over here. Like we're just buying into momentum, and these are
the is closed now.
Is when we are buying in momentum, and just pushing us into profit. So yeah, bro. I really like when subs are lining up with 13 MA. But the only thing is, if you're too high, if you're too high and you're taking a buy with a 13 get made, that's when breakouts could happen. So yeah, this thing is melting, man. This thing is melting for real, bro.
You gotta wait at least for this 5 minute to close.
Yep. Just look at all three. Look at all three. This melting. US 30 is looking terrible, and gold is looking terrible. So we're gonna wait until the open. Maybe we should start having our calls at 9:30 instead of 7:30, so we won't waste nobody's time. Because I don't want to be on here for 3-4 hours just we're not placing a trade. Maybe we should actually place our start our calls at 9:30 instead of 7:30. I don't want to. I don't know if I want to do that, but that's a thought though for sure. We got a whole hour until the open. I'm in gold right now. I'm just playing. I'm telling you this right now, bro. Like this is just something that I would probably try to cut. But I mean, I'm not saying to get out of the trade, but this is just not a good sign. If I'm in a trade like this is not a good sign at all, bro. Hey, no, facts though. Facts. I'm glad you just said that. Last time we started the calls around the open, all the stuff started shooting pre-market. Exactly. So like, I get that, but like the market was dead ass. Like, have us set up at 7:45. Now we're waking up at 9:30. 2-3 subs already done won. So it is annoying though, because if you do want to only trade after the open, you could be missing on a pre-market setup. So it's like, it's really a give or take, because I feel like we have done that before, and then we just missing hella setups, bro. So yeah, it just really depends on what you want to do at the end of the day.
Yeah, see, this is why you wait for candle closing.
Look at this, bro. Let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to come back to this 1 hour demand right here on US 30. It's not milk for no reason. So I'm going to mark this up on a 1 hour. And if it taps the 1 hour at the open, we should be looking for some type of bias situations or something. Once it get back in that area. But the moving averages got to make sense too. The moving averages have to make sense.
This is kind of sicko.
And then some people are going to want to take this, but remember what I said. The older the zone is, the less likely it is to hold. So if you're looking at a setup like this, for one, it may touch it in wicked, but this is such an older zone. And we got 3 moving averages to go above. So say if it come back to the zone, and then we get the break of the candle. We got to break past the 200 EMA, and then the very next moving average is the 50 SMA. So you feel me? And it depends on how big our stop loss is if they do decide to come back to the zone as well. So it's just a lot of factors, but we still waiting to after open. Forget that. I want to take something good. I don't want to BS. Check. You like the 5-minute demand going on towards yes. Let me see. Oh, you talking about this one? Not really, man. I just hate how long it takes forever to get back to the zone, because usually they just blast right through. So I'm not refilling it.
Sheesh.
This is like an inverted head. I mean, this is like a head and shoulders. It's the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Literally. You said NQ charts and NAS charts is different. I'm not looking at it. Oh yeah, I'm definitely not. Yeah, we're waiting.
Yeah, this is ugly. That's why we wait for.
This might be the type of day where we take a liquidity grab and supply and demand, because like we don't even have a lot of zones that are being created unless they just make one in real time. But we don't really have a lot of zones that's going to come back to your high probability setup. Earnings call at 8:30. Interesting. There we go. Oh, I think those going middle too. I ain't gonna lie. It's the man right here. He didn't touch. Let me look at it. Okay, now in this situation, on YM on futures, it's actually lining up. So that is definitely interesting. Yeah, definitely wicked for sure. Mm, interesting. Mm. That's also the 1 hour as well. So this is like a 1 hour demand. The only thing is this 1 hour demand don't have a break instruction. So that is a little bit kind of like, damn. But this is pretty good, man. I'm trying to. We got 1 minute to make a decision right here. The only thing I just don't like about this setup is that it's a much older zone. That's about it. Other than that, this looked pretty good. But we got to pay attention to what the 50 SMA do. If we don't break past 50 SMA, then this is probably not going to be a good setup. But I'm thinking about taking this setup. I'm thinking about taking this. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, y'all better get y'all that platform ready. I'm pulling this, or am I? I don't know. 8:30. We got 1 hour to the open. Let me see. It's holding at the 200, but y'all know how older zones actually just perform. When they're older and they come back later, don't really be ideal for them. I was to take this. I'm definitely on the risk. Be right this up. I'm sure. We good. Oh, straight. We're gonna wait. Yeah, I'm waiting, bro, to get that straight. You got in, man. Good luck, bro. But y'all know older zones don't hold like that. I'm not folding, bro. We got 1 hour. We can wait 1 hour. You can wait 1 hour. You feel what I'm saying? You can wait 1 hour. I know some of y'all probably got to go somewhere, so y'all probably gonna take it anyway. But if you got time today, I will wait. Like, I had to really just think: is this really a good setup to take right now, bro? We got literally we're gonna be here till 10:30, like literally. So you shall probably just faked out mad people. I mean, people making their own decisions, man. Like, people make their own decisions. Like, if you want to take that, you take that. I'm not taking it. I'm not placing trades for nobody. People got to do that for themselves. I'm good, bro. Yeah. Everything is melting. Even US 30 is melting even more. God damn. Yeah.
Everything looking, everything
Gold
different.
melted, US 30 melting, and now NAS 100 is melting. Straight.
DXY should be on that too.
Boom, Doyle lost right there again. We avoided. Like, literally, like, that's another L. Like, y'all see what the market is doing, bro? Like, I'm telling you, you don't want to take setups that are they're not recent enough. This is just not recent enough. This demand right here, this is not recent enough. If you look at this demand right here, Gave the break of the candle in reverse. But look at how old it is. Do we win on stuff like this? Most of the time, no. We do not win on stuff like this. We don't. Like, I almost took this. I'm like, no, I'm sure. Yeah. I almost took it though. What I was about to put 10 contracts on that. I'm about to put a solid little slight 10 on there and just see. I'm sure. I'm being picky with that, bro. People will know if I'm in the trade. I'm gonna let everybody know. Try it.
I think it'll give us something, but I'm looking. I'm just like, maybe like a little dirty little inverted head and shoulders here, maybe, but it gotta like. I'd rather wait for it to push or something, but just taking this off. Nah, I don't. Cause it's just dipping. It broke through my first zone. It broke through this little 4-hour zone here. It's just red. Like,
yeah, man, price action have been a little bit wild, man. I'm be honest, bro. Summer months are crazy. It's a hit or miss, bro. I would have been tight as hell if I would have took this, bro. All right. And then if you go to the higher time frame, it's in a 1 hour demand that don't have a break of structure. So the break of structure is so important, bro. Like, don't have a break of structure no more. And we're going away from the 200 on the 1 hour too, so that's definitely not ideal. This 1 hour demand on US 30, this looked more better. You got to broke a swing high. We're trading away from the 200 EMA, but let's just see what the open does. It did get tough. No, that's literally 3 losses that we just avoided right there. That's 3 of them. 3 of them. They trying to win. I feel like every time we have a great week, it's like the next week be tough. Like, that's why I'll be trying not to celebrate too much, because it's like, bro, the market can take all that money back. We got to be on point, man. For real. The market do not care, bro. It do not care, bro. No matter how many years you've been doing this stuff, bro. The market don't care, bro. Now, how many times have y'all ever just like, oh, please, babe, like, please say take profit. Come on now, come forward. I've done it before. Like, bro, come on, man. Like, you just talking to the charts. How many people have talked to the charts before? I have. Market just, hey, no, real talk though. Real talk. You like, bro, please, man. The market don't care. You can be begging the market. Don't care. Like, literally, dog. Come on. I'm just keeping it a bug, bro. Like, sometimes they just don't care. Stop loss. Like, bro. Like, I'm just being honest with y'all, bro. I'm not even going to, bro. It just sometimes that just be happening, bro. Like, you just be like, bro, what is going on? This price action is garbage, bro. Literally today, I'm already seeing BS happening today. Yeah, pre-market is not it. Pre-market did a little good yesterday, but today it's a no, bro. Bro, I blew on my phone to push price to my TV, bro. Everybody done had their moments of just talking to the charts, bro. One thing I will not do, honestly, is like place a trade while I'm out. Like if I'm like outside, like at dinner or something, I see a setup happening or something, I'm just not gonna place a trade. But some people do. I would never do that. I have to be sitting down like how we are right now, sitting down, focusing. Like that's why when I was working a job, I couldn't place trades because I'd be in the bathroom for like 30, 40 minutes. They got me on the little, where's Doyle at? Like, Doyle in the bathroom again? Yeah, I'm in the bathroom. Place of trade. Like, that's what I'm doing. Like, so yeah, I just can't. I have to be at my station, bro. I have to be focused. So, like, damn, go in the bathroom again. Send him to the office, bro. He ain't doing it, type shit, though. That be ruining my mood if people fast, man. I be trying not to let my losses ruin my day. Like yesterday, what? I was not playing. I was telling my girl, man, we lost today, man. We took a L on US 30. She was like, it's gonna be all right. You know, like your girl does make you feel good, but it doesn't bring back the money though. If the money is gone, so I'm just like, man, it is what it is. But I don't feel better. Like, are you gonna reimburse me? No, you're not. Literally, like that. Are you gonna give me $2,000? Like, no. So, you feel me? I got fired for placing trades at work. Oh yeah, for real, bro. You go listen. I never tell people to trade at work, bro. You gonna get fired, bro. I almost got fired, bro. Not even trying to be funny, bro. I almost got fired. No, I wouldn't recommend it unless you work in a cubicle or something. You work at a little cubicle where you can be on the laptop and then place a trade real quick and then you good. But if you hard labor, fast paced factory, you don't have no time. That's gonna be the last time you ever go to the bathroom at work, bro. They're gonna send you. They're gonna fire you, bro. Yeah, would you take the NASA flight at 8:25? Let me see. 8:25. No, absolutely not. No. We're in a weird spot right now, bro. We're in a weird spot right now. So like this right here, this is just not a good setup. Mm-hmm. Losing a trade down there feel worse than getting cheated on. I don't know about that, bro. I said I work, right? I'm set at work right now. Got my own office, no screen, got work. Oh no, you good, bro. You at work, you at the cubicle, good, bro. I never had a cubicle job. I never just had that luxury of working a job where I'm not physically on my feet or physically not working on my hands, bro. Like, that's a luxury, bro. You actually in a blessed position, bro. If you work in a more corporate job, you're not going home tired. Well, I was going home I'm tired, but nope, gotta get it. Gotta get it. You take advantage of having this job where you're not on your feet, bro. Like, real talk. I like this group. Really nobody from Flint, Michigan trade. A lot of people don't trade, bro. Like, after I had mailed and ruined it for everybody, and people was tired of the recruiting stuff, bro. Nobody, listen, people still think day trade is a scam, bro. That's why you gotta let people just have their opinions, bro. Like a lot of people don't trade, bro. Like you'll be surprised. Like a lot of people just don't even trade. They still feel like this is just like some BS or something. And I swear, when you stop those factory jobs, you never want to go back. Facts, bro. Facts. Like, well, I genuinely want to go back to Detroit and make a whole vlog at the job I was at when I was in Detroit. But they obviously they won't let me record inside there. But if I ever was to talk to a supervisor, I had to pay her just to walk around the factory, and this was my station that I was working at. And, bro, that'd be super super dope. But they probably won't let me do that though. And working retail annoying as hell. I used to work in Burlington. I don't know if people will help shop in Burlington. I used to work in Burlington. I was the person that was trying to stop people from stealing. The hell, people was just walking out with a bunch of clothes. I'm like, it's not my business. I don't care. Yeah, I'm just on the clock. Like, I was supposed to be the guy circling around, people not stealing clothes. People were just, loss prevention. There you go. I was lost. Like, what am I about to do? Like, I'm not about to stop you from. I'm not about to listen. I am not about to die over this job that's not mine. This is not my job. Like, they just walking out there with Nikes on and shoes. I'm like, shit, yeah. For real, I'm dead. I was not stopping nobody from walking out. They walking out with bags, like stealing. I'm just like, I mean, you said we can't touch the people. Like our obligation, our relative, like we can't put our hands on the people that steal it. We gotta just call the cops. Like, what the hell? What am I security for, bro? Like, what the hell, bro? This is dumb. I can't actually stop them. They were paying me $11 an hour. Exactly, man. $11 an hour. Do the math. Do the math, man. I was making about $80 a day. $80 a day times that by 4, I mean 5. That's $400. Borderline homeless. What? Real talk. I don't like telling people the numbers, but it's the facts, bro. $11 an hour. That's a kid's job. I had that job. I had an apartment. When I was living in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I was working Western. It wasn't shit. But hey, got me above water. That's all I needed, bro. That's why I be understanding. Like I be getting it, bro. Like it's hard times, bro. Like it's not. Like it's hard out here. It really is. So pretty grab on that 100. Who's that one? Other pretty grab. Are you talking about this one getting taken out? Oh, this is more of a. Oh, it stopped right here. This, if you're looking at this right here, I mean, I still wouldn't take this setup. I'm gonna just be honest, man. Like, I just don't like my zones to be that much older. But yeah, I'm just not buying it right here. Open is almost in 40 minutes. Let's just wait it out and see what we get. Say go, man. This will look pretty good. I want, like, if this was a setup, I wanted to break above these swings right here. Or this is still considered more of a head and shoulders, bro. Like, I would want it to break above this swing right here. And then maybe we can take this demand right there. But if I'm looking at this pattern right here, this is like a head and shoulders. So, like, I don't want to be taking a demand setup on the head and shoulders, bro. I got my pick up. Oh, yeah, we make it to the open, man. We got time today. Y'all not doing nothing. About to say, all right, it's right here. Mm-hmm. That is so funny. I did work at Burlington, bro. Yeah. My boy thought he was funny. I was laughing at you. I mean, this is a true story, bro. Like, I go to bro, open, gonna push movies down. I feel it. No facts. You like US 30 supply? If you're talking about this one right here, this one right here. Only thing is, like, just look at the structure of the setup. I'm thinking, okay, if I'm taking a setup, I'm just gonna picture, okay, what is the moving averages gonna look like when they get up there? What is, like, is this a clean break construction? This is not a clean break construction. We're going towards into a DMA if you're talking about this supply right here. So let's just wait and see what the open does, because if the open just blast right through it, then we're not gonna care about this zone right now. We already, it's 8:45. 45 more minutes, 9:30, they about to do some BS. Some of these zones can be invalid. And then they gonna show us the real move. And then we get to make a decision what we're gonna take. So that's not I thought you were talking about that NAS. You talking about this? Same thing. Literally the same thing. Literally the same thing, bro. Females be trying to throw you off your path while you're on your journey, the biggest distraction. That's why I was single, bro. I was single as hell, bro. Like, what? I mean, I don't got time, bro. We gotta get to the guy, bro. I'm not straight, bro. Women are a distraction, bro. And they don't understand the grind. Some girls do, but most of them, you focus too much on this. Like, you act like you don't have no time for nobody. I really don't have no time for nobody, bro. I'm really trying to get to it. Like, I don't, like, move around. Like that's why I'm well, right now I'm in a better situation, but like when you're trying to get to the bag and save money and you're not trying to go out and spend money, bro, and your partner want to turn up and take trips, then you're gonna be broke. You ain't gonna have no money to spend. That's why I be tough. Like That's why my ex had to go. She had to go. I'm like, bro, listen, I got a goal. I'm trying to be in this situation in 6 to 7 years. You still want me to spend money, bro? I don't have it. Like, it's just what it is. I'm not taking you to Miami for spring break. I'm sorry, I don't have money like that. So we're gonna have to just eat hot dogs and ramen noodles until we can be able to do that. And if you don't want to hold me down, it's just it is what it is, bro. Like, I'm dead eyes, bro. Dead eyes, bro. You ain't gonna hold it down while I don't got it. Then when I do have it, you really not gonna be around. So, and I don't care either. Be sick now. Though I see why you say you wouldn't date another trader. Um, Aggie is hell. Yeah, I don't want my girl to be traded, bro. This day trade is already stressful enough, bro. We be stressed over these setups. Like we be stressed. Like listen. And also I don't want to talk about trading all day, every day. Like I mean, and then sometimes around my family, like they want to talk about trading all the time. I'll be like, bro, I just don't want to talk about it. Like this is a daily grind. Like, sometimes I want to take a break from it. I want to just do other stuff. I don't want to just talk about trading all the time. Like my girl was getting her nails done, right? Let me tell y'all this story before the open happened. My girl was getting her nails done out in Florida, right? And she pulled up in this little Coral Peach i8, right? So the lady that's doing her nails, like, oh my god, that's a nice car. What do you do? And she's like, oh, this is my boyfriend's car, which is me. And my girl was telling me that the girl that was doing her nails, she was just talking about like she wanted to get into trading, and she just kept talking about trading over and over and over. I'm like, yeah, this is usually what happens after you tell somebody that you trade. They just want to just constantly talk about it. It just, I don't know, be getting annoying sometimes. I just want to have a regular conversation. Like, let's not talk about trading all the time. Like, what did you do today? Like, you feel me? Like, I'm not gonna lie, but sometimes I just don't want to talk about it. Like, all right, bro, this is my life. Trading is my life, so I have to, this is a daily. I'm always on the charts. But when I'm off the charts, I don't want to talk about trading, bro. I just let's talk about. You know what I'm saying? The Olympics or something. Like, I don't know. I don't want to talk about that.
Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to clear that shit.
The combo go out the window. Yeah. And I'll never forget, man. When I'll probably say like a year and a half trading. Like I go back home to Detroit. But this is when I was living in Kalamazoo. I go back home to Detroit, and then family would be like, so how that trading stuff going? Now they get to talking about trading. It's like, bro, all right, bro. Like y'all don't even care that much. Like y'all just want to know what I'm doing. I don't want to keep talking about this. But y'all not about. Some of y'all don't even want to trade, so y'all just want to just know what I'm doing, bro. Y'all not about to do this with me. Y'all just want to just. Is it successful yet? Like I only had 22%. As y'all would know that though. Gold demand. Nah, bro. Let's wait after the open, man. Real talk. We're waiting after 9:30. We're not placing anything to 9:30. Well, at least not me, because I just avoided 3 losses today already. This market is not cooking up today. Well, we're really waiting up. It happens every time I go to a family reunion. They always want to ask about trading. Yeah, especially if you broadcast it. Like I didn't even tell my family that I even had a YouTube channel. I didn't want them to be in my business. If I'm documenting what I'm doing and I'm showing people what I'm doing, I don't care too much for it. Oh, family, watch my videos. I don't care, bro. Like it's not for y'all. Y'all don't care about this. Like, you feel me? So I'm on YouTube, so it's even worse, bro. Like I'm telling you, it's even worse, bro. Everybody is just so focused on what you're doing, and they're keeping a close eye on you and shit. Like family, like it can get weird, bro. Like real talk, it can get weird. It's good sometimes. It's cool sometimes. But sometimes, bro, it do not be given, bro. That's what's happening to me right now. I'm putting pressure on your body, asking all these questions. Bad. Like, how is that? So, how much did you make any money? Like, did you especially when you're actually like in the compounding phase and you tell them that you actually haven't made a withdrawal yet? They're like, well, what you doing this for? Like, you haven't withdrew anything? Well, I'm trying to grow that. Come on. I'm trying to throw more money in it. I'm trying to compound it. And then I'll start making with like people just not gonna understand. So you gotta just be low key with it, man. Like you gotta be low key with it. Legit what my girl said last night. I'm telling you, bro. They wanna know, like if you and especially if you like on Instagram posting your trades, posting your results, they wanna you just asking for your family to be in your business, bro. Cause they gonna ask. They gonna ask. You still doing that little forex stuff? You still doing that? You still over there doing that goofy stuff? Like they don't think it's some goofy shit, bro. I'm so glad my family's very supportive, man. That's a blessing, bro. Like for real. Like if your family really supporting you, no matter what you're doing, that's a blessing, bro. Man, listen, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. I wouldn't recommend taking this setup, man. I'm gonna just be honest, bro. You about to take this setup? Just look at the structure of the setup. Like, ask yourself, is this a quality setup? Do it have a clear breaker structure? Where is the moving averages at in this situation? Look at the time of day. Like, is this a good setup? Like, we gotta start having like process of elimination or some type of like where we can rate. We're not even grade a certain setup. Like, this would be more so a C minus setup in my opinion. Like, this is not even like a B or A plus setup. This is more of a C minus because we don't have a clear breaker structure. This is like a head and shoulders. Uh, Listen, I'm not even gonna put this on there. I don't want nobody taking this. And I just don't feel like this is a good setup. Like real talk. I mean, we do have a webinar with the checklist though, but as far as like to grade a setup, like, this is more so like a C. We've seen like our winners don't even really look like this, if we be honest. And for us, it's a blessing that you have a supportive family that just like to support you, and you have to really hold on to that. Because what family even be hating? People don't talk about that. Family be hating on you. You shining, and they still stuck. Like real talk. It what happened. The only person I speak to trading about in my family is my dad, because he the one that put me on, and he trades too. Oh, you really good. Your dad trade? Oh, you good. My dad too damn old to even understand what I'm doing. You guys 30. You guys 30, man. No, bro. No. You're 30 man now, bro. During your compounding phase, did you ever have to step away from the charts for a week? Yeah, for sure. Like a mental reset is definitely needed. You know, I definitely took like a week break, sometimes 3 days off. You know, like say if at work kicking my ass, like if I have to do like overtime, now I take like a day off or two. Like that's just, I mean, I can't trade like how I'm trading like Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday right now. I couldn't do that every single day compounding because one, I'm still trying to go to work, still have to give my energy to other things, so I'm not like fully committed. But yeah, bro. Once and also I actually switched my job too. I switched to second shift, but I also had a weekend job at some point where I was only working Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays, 12-hour shifts, and then I would actually have Monday and Thursday off. So like that was one of my best schedules. I actually missed that job, bro, because like I had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday off, and then I just work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 12-hour shift. Like it's hard, but I mean it gave me all the time I needed to study and catch these setups and get more experience. So yeah, if you could get a weekend job like that, but you gotta sacrifice something, bro. Like either way, you can sacrifice something. Then why you leave that job? I left that job because it was getting too. It was a see. This is the thing. Even though it was a weekend job, we were working outside in the Midwest. Talking about snowstorms, we shoveling snow in the factory. I swear to God, I wish I could put my roommate on this call right now because he could vouch for me that we were really working in the cold, like bundled up and everything. I swear to God, like got forklifts picking stuff out of a truck in the cold, putting it in the factory. Like it was just a bunch of BS, bro. It was a rough job. It was really rough, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It was like a recycling company. We was like throwing away stuff. sending it to other companies that wanted like cardboard or metals and stuff. Look at the fucking stupid stuff, bro. Stuff that I don't care about. Really, man. Bro, in Indy, bro, I'm in Indy now. I know. Yeah, bro. And I was on the west coast of Michigan, so we were closer to Chicago, which they get even worse snowstorming. So it was just, bro. Can you name all the things you would put on the checklist while we wait? As far as what, like supply and demand? I'm in Chicago. This shit is trash. I wouldn't say Chicago is trash. It's just the weather, bro. The weather and the people. People are good, but you gotta be careful where you at. But we have a webinar on the checklist though. Like I'm not gonna lie, we have a webinar. Like the main thing that you want to look for is a clear breaker structure. The EMAs to line up. The time of day is super important too. Definitely want to try to go with the trend on the 1 hour, and honestly, you really don't want no candles to close inside of your zone because that's more ideal for the trade to win. That's definitely something that's super important. But other than that, like you definitely gonna want to watch that webinar that we have the checklist on. I think it's a 2023 webinar. It's not from this year, from last year. Well, in fact, I'm from the church, so no, Chicago ain't it no more. Hey, I heard a lot of people are leaving Chicago. I heard a lot of people are leaving Chicago. We got 9 o'clock, bro. We got 30 minutes. We literally got 30 minutes. I heard downtown Chicago is lit. Yeah, I was down there. No, I literally took. Let me tell y'all how. I'm not gonna say how broke I was, but like, bro, I really didn't have no money in college. So like, this is when I have my ex, right? And all her friends went to Miami spring break. All of them went spring break. I'm like, because mind you, it costs a lot to even visit Miami. Like, if you go to Miami Beach, a shot could be like $70. So you gotta bring at least like a $1,000 to actually have a good time. I ain't have it. You feel me? Didn't have it. So I'm like, you know what? We could just drive to Chicago. We drove to Chicago for spring break. And spring break is usually in like March. It was terrible. I don't know if it's just the Discord, but in resources, it doesn't show any of the whole webinars. It should. It should. Let me go to it real quick. Yeah, the essential webinars listing is right there. It's really right there. That's it. Like if you click resources, Abdul Lily posted essential webinars listing. Those are the most important ones right there. Watch those right there. A shop for $70. Yeah, Miami Beach be finessing for sure. The tourists they're paying like double. You might got cheated on. No, she was with me, bro. So we went to Chicago together. She didn't go to Miami by herself. She was with me. And even if she did, she don't. I don't care, bro. But I'm good now. She probably be on a little Finsta fake Instagram account just watching me. I have so many fake accounts watching me. It can be anybody, bro. Anybody y'all can think of probably be watching my stories and see what I'm doing. And I know that, so what? You be saying, "Wow, shit here." Yeah, bye. Yeah, I'm good, man. All right, man. We got like 29 more minutes, man. We're trying to get a win today. We're not taking nothing trash today. We're getting a win today. We need to get a win today. For real. Look at that, y'all. Just look, man. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, it's a lot of terrible setups today on pre-market. It's a lot of terrible setups. Like, so serious. Like, this is like a head and shoulders pattern. I mean, I don't really talk too much about it, but this is a head and shoulders pattern. This is literally this. So you see stuff like this, you definitely don't want to take this. And we have the moving averages not in our favor. Stay away from stuff like this. Like, this is a reversal pattern. Even if you see this for an inverted, if we take this off and we're inverted, these are usually the reversal patterns in New York session, where it breaks structure and then come back to a supply zone. Because I know a lot of people be like, damn, what happened? And then they give you the break of the candle, and then it goes up, and then that's the New York reversal coming from a London session bearish move. So this pattern is super important. Like when you see stuff like this, you're definitely gonna want to pass up on it, whether it's for buys for a reversal or a sell for a reversal. Like I see a pattern like that, I'm like, damn, this is probably not a good setup to actually take because that's a reversal pattern. So yeah, bro, that's why I didn't take it. This is purely like a head and shoulders pattern. Don't want to take stuff like this. Bro, damn, dog, really inspirational. I had went through so many mentors before this, and they wasted finally found the real. I appreciate that, bro. I be trying, bro. I be trying. Having this chat with you for sure helps, man. Even we're not taking a trade, you're teaching us stuff. Hey, yeah, eventually we probably is. I really be having a lot going on, bro. Like, gotta make sure the game app good. I gotta check on a rental property, like it's getting built. Like, I'm doing a lot. So, and it's just me. Like, I don't have a team of like people that can just help me out. Like, besides Abdul, that's like the only person that just helped me out. Like, it's me. I edit my own videos and trade it. I do a lot of stuff, so I don't really have too much time to do a lot of stuff, bro. But I can't tell you the gaming app, bro. I can't tell you. It's just a gaming app that pays me. Like, I invested in it a few years ago, still paying it to this day. That's why I be telling people to invest, bro. Like, what? I can have a bad weekend, but I got this lined up. Like, but I done caught so many good setups to the point where I withdrew money and I'm putting it into other things that's gonna make me more money. And now, like, what, man? I'm about to listen. In a couple of months, we're well about the upside, bro. Like, I haven't been grinding for no reason, bro. It's been years, man. I haven't been grinding for no reason. Like, I gotta reward myself at some point. Like, at some point, I gotta just reward myself for something. Isn't gold just equal lows? Let's see. Yeah. If you're talking about this right here, you're talking about this right here. Yeah, this is definitely equal lows right here. Sure. Unless you're talking about this right here. You're talking about this right here. This is also equal lows too. So yeah. How did you meet Abdul? Ask Abdul how we meet. Because he's from Canada. Like, I'm from Michigan. But Canada is right there, though. But y'all can ask somebody else. Some cool people, though. Shout out to Abdul, man. Glad bro didn't get hurt in a car accident, bro. People out here, well, especially in Florida. I already got in my car accident. Florida already. They can. Listen, we're not taking any setup until after 9:30. I don't even care what's about to happen after 9:30. Let's see the BS, let's see the finesse, let's see the traders get stopped out, and then we're gonna see what we can get.
Not fast.
I don't care about no setup right now until after. No, I can't believe I get the chance to talk to you, bro. I've been watching you since you had 30K subs on YouTube. Now you helped me with a lot of my trading, man. I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. Man, it's a lot of people that just don't understand. Like, man, it's been a long time coming, though. I'll be honest. But we still have more barriers to go, bro. We still have more levels to reach, bro. It's still
like this weekly engulfing.
Yeah, I have experience. Yeah, it's still just a lot of stuff.
Right here,
It's
too.
Still pushing. Still
But
saving.
I'm thinking volume.
See. I believe that stuff's happening after 9:30. Yeah, I believe they do too. I definitely do. Like, pre-market it's a hit or miss. Sometimes we get great pre-market stuff. Yeah, sometimes it be so garbage. Like, we should just win it.
I'm expecting some Wall Street volatility.
You think you can explain it real quick? Have you watched the webinar?
Usually always do so.
Have you watched the liquidity grab webinar? Because, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I be getting a lot of messages in my DMs, and I'll be like, "Have you watched it?" And they be like, "Well, I haven't got to it yet." It's like, "Okay, watch it. watch it, and if it still don't make sense, then DM me in the Discord, and I can. But like, if you're not watching it, you just come to me like questions. You're not even. Why you not watching the webinar? Watch the webinar. That's why I got a hoodie. Look, a hoodie up, bro. And to put my hoodie on. Just watch it. If it don't make sense, come to me with questions. I can help you out. Like real talk. Cause that's like right now I have like 13 unread messages. I was clearing them a little bit yesterday, but this is the daily messages, and again I'm still doing a lot of stuff, so I can't get to everybody as fast as I want to. So you gotta give me some time, especially on the weekends. Like, well, I still have a life. I have to literally like go grocery shopping. Like, go ahead. Like, somebody actually ran into me in the grocery store. I'm like, oh my god, this is the cost of being on YouTube, bro. This is the cost. When you doing a one-on-one again, what you mean? You can book a session whenever you want. Whenever you want to book a one-on-one session, you can. It just protect me a little more. At low key, if I'm looking at this, let's go to US30 real quick. If I'm looking at US30, honestly, I feel like the open will shoot up. I feel like this is going to push up, and we're going to take out these swing highs right here. That's what I feel like is going to happen with the open. But again, y'all know how unpredictable the open could be. I feel like it's going to push up and take out those swing highs. Nas 100. I don't know, because it didn't break structure on the 1 hour, so it could melt some more since we're in a downtrend. But let's see. They'll definitely eat out every day. I used to, but my girl cooked though. I used to, like when I was living like in the heart of Miami, yeah, I was definitely eating out every single day. Because for 1 hour, I don't really like cooking like that. And just, I mean, I cook sometimes. I feel like the reason why people rock with Doyle is because he got a regular vibe, a regular guy vibe. Like, we know he's profitable. He told caked up. Oh, man. Why you say caked up, bro? See, you set yourself up. Why you say caked up, man? What's wrong? Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, yo. I appreciate that, bro. But nah, bro. You're not getting a pass, bro. Someone I'm caked up, bro. Y'all fooling, bro. See, this is why we need to start our calls at 9:30, because people do. You're not getting a pass for that. What's your name? You lucky your name is iPhone. We don't know what your name is in the Discord, bro. No, bro. You don't take that pause. What, bro? Fooling, bro.
Man.
This is early.
Yeah, this all right. That's the second.
What y'all doing? Y'all in this trade right here? Are y'all in this trade? It's a pre-market setup, bro. But again, I'm waiting. But are y'all in this supply right here? Who took this sale right here on Nas? It rejected it, but remember, you're going towards the 200, so probably lower your risk if you have to. But yeah, bro. See, your first target will be before the 200, so it could actually just put down and then hit your 1-to-1 off of that. You know, if you're actually in this trade. But again, I'm still waiting after the open. The sell-up is invalid for me. You said it's invalid? Ooh, it looks terrible on YM, man. Usually it looks terrible, bro. But yeah. The like it's trying to cook up, man. People gotta take this shut up. Yeah, YM looked terrible. Like, it looked terrible on the future strat. Like, it's absolutely good. And I was cooking up for y'all boys, man. People that took this trade, it's about to hit the 1-to-1 right now. A couple more. A little bit more. Plus, they got to push past 200, yeah. But the thing is, though, like, it's breaking the 13 EMA to go to the 200. So it should probably just stop at the 200 and then probably reverse back up.
I'm gonna be honest, this weekly, this kind of invalid now. It's not respect. Like this zone has no respect.
Why this ugly ass winner, bro? ugly setup. It just cooked too. I don't know if anybody just took this tray right here. It cooked for sure. And also, if you go to the 1 hour, bro, it's crazy because it's about to go straight into a 1 hour demand. Like, and I also noticed that volume do be coming in at like 9 o'clock. This setup cooked, bro. This is crazy. It broke to 200 too. Damn. It's always an ugly setup that be cooking, bro. Sounds like you just feel like it's just not gonna cook. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. You took that good stuff. We still waiting. I ain't gonna lie. We're still waiting. It's coming for yeah, it's coming for yeah. Like again, a setup that's counter trend, it doesn't mean it's not going to win, but you will see it lose way more often. Like literally. Ugly Cells has been cooking for like forever. I don't know why, especially in the summer months. This is about like gold. I don't know what gold is doing. Why do you think your Latte videos get so many views? I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, I guess that's what people want to see. People don't really care too much for the vlogs. You know, the vlogs take so much energy out of me. It's just so much footage. I gotta chop up.
It's kind of invalid now.
Care about the vlogs, but my trading people just like to see it. I don't know. You have to look at yes, it was clean. Yeah, SPS be clean, bro. SPS definitely be clean. You learning Spanish? My girl still haven't taught me Spanish, but she speaks Spanish fluently. She still I don't know. She don't be trying to teach me how to speak Spanish for real. All right, bro. Then repost it. Now let's read it again. Feel like the real reason. I feel like the reason a lot of people walk the door is because you got a regular guy vibe. Like we know you probably got bread, but not some over the top, over flashy. Like look at me type of vibe. Yeah, facts. Man. I feel like I don't need to do that. Like I don't need to overly, look at me. Like, I don't do that, bro. I can just be myself, and you know, and I feel like a lot of people just like, especially with people that post content, they don't know how to be themselves. They're trying to be somebody else. Like be yourself. Like you don't have to try to be this extra alpha. Like I'm just that guy, and you need to listen to me. Like, no, you don't. Like, you just be yourself. People fuck with real shit. People like fake Hollywood stuff. Nobody likes that. I don't like that. Bro, you just an extraordinary person, like just overly loud. Like, I don't do that, bro. Keep it subtle, keep it classy, bro. I don't do that. Well, okay, that's gonna be the new inside dope. No, that was crazy. That was crazy, bro. That was crazy, bro. I can't believe bro said that. Caked up. What? I still don't get a pass. No, that was long to say, bro. Bro, no, listen. Shrooms, bro. No, bro. We're not doing it. Man, y'all better stop playing. Hey, all right, man. All right. I'm laughing because these questions are actually getting crazy, bro. Y'all get chill. All right. Y'all fooling now. All right. Fooling, bro. First you say that, now you tell me I'm blushing. All right, bro. Y'all get too much, bro. Like, chill. All right. Let's get a win, bro. Y'all be getting the trolling. Get the trolling, bro. Yeah, I'm fooling, bro. For real, y'all fooling, bro. Like, what? Talking about BBL going on. Yeah, man. I don't know what's going on. People just listen. Can we get serious, bro? Or y'all want to take an L today? Do we want to take an L today, or do we want to make some money today? Let me know. We could just force a setup and just take an L and everybody lose, and we just tight as hell. You feel me? And Drake is hella cooked. Not for real, man. Like, yeah, man. Y'all playing too much, man. BBL. Bro, what the hell? Let's scroll down. too dud, but you're too dud. Yeah, I gotta get back to my car combos, man. Car combos, listen. Like, you know how many people that hit me up like, bro, your car combos is one of the other shit, bro. You gotta make more of them. I don't know why I haven't made more of them, because I'm still, it's just got a lot going on, bro. But I'm gonna definitely get back to the car combos, bro. Let's be speaking truth into, like, getting people through hard times. Like, this one guy was like, bro, I literally got out of jail. Like, this guy got out of jail, and he just wanted just to learn something. I guess one of my videos got pushed to him or whatever, and he just started watching all the car combos. He was like, bro, like, you really got me out of a dark spot. Y'all know how hard it is when you get out of prison. It's hard to actually get a 9 to 5. You're telling me. Nobody wants felons to work at their job, so like he was going through all that time. And he was like, bro, your car combos really like help me. And it's just like, bro, like, that's just some real shit. That's why I gotta keep making videos. It do be actually genuinely like be listening to them while they're at work, listening to them while they're on their way to work or whatever they do. Feel me? So I'm gonna still be making my car combos. And it don't have to just be trading related. It could be a lot of stuff. But I think the car combo is gonna hit when I actually get the new whip. When I get the new whip, it's gonna hit a little different, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm just gonna hit, bro. I can't wait. Still saving up for it, but once I get it, y'all know Doyle don't be capping, man. Like Doyle don't do no capping. I'm gonna let people know when this is actually my car. Like I'm not gonna get the leasing car. That's what people do it for. People just get the constant leasing, and then you'll see another car and swoop it out for another one. Like listen, when I buy something, everybody gonna know. I'm not gonna lie. Like the other couple weeks ago, my cousin was here. Like I had to test out certain cars to see if I wanted to buy it. Trust me, bro. I know exactly what I want to buy, bro. Like, for sure. But I gotta test it out before I actually buy it. Like, I tested out the i8 before I bought it. I'm like, this car is hard. Now I'm bored with it. Now I'm about to get something else. And that boy Daniel Savage, he a lease king. I don't listen. Floridians is just known for actually just leasing cars. You know, every 2 years swapping out cars. I don't have time to be doing that. Like whatever car I'm driving daily, that's gonna be my car. Do you ever take the pretty grab at the open? Yes and no. Yes and no. For the most part, no. But if I see something that's like super clean around like 940, I'll take it if it's in the pretty grab. So, yeah. Oh yeah, like what? I can't wait, bro. I'm gonna just say this. I'm gonna put a wide body kit on it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna put a wide body kit on it. Whatever I'm about to get, I'm putting a wide body kit on it. That shit gonna look so. It just looks so good, bro. It just looks so good with a wide body kit on it. That's all I'm gonna say. Wide body with blood. You know what I'm saying? It's just hard. I just need it. But again, I gotta save up, of course. You know, we're not just gonna just blow it back for no reason. I just blow it back and it's really properly, so I gotta save up. Give it some time. I'm gonna get it. All right, man. We got 9 more minutes, man. We got 9 more minutes. 9 more minutes. Hopefully, we get something good. But we've been avoiding losses. Nash gonna cook up a great quick little setup. Oh, that was US 30. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm thinking this is Nash. This is US 30. I'm tripping, bro. I don't know why I thought this was. I gotta pay attention.
All right, open in less than 10 minutes, so playing in my zone. I'm honestly starting to believe that the zone is just chicken shit. I don't think it's complete chicken shit, but I don't know, man. It ain't.
You're definitely not going more far. Definitely not. Definitely not. No disrespect to people that like Chargers and Challengers and Mustangs and stuff. It's just I'm in Florida, bro. It just doesn't hit the same, bro. It just doesn't hit the same. If you live in Florida, you're gonna see, bro. can't go Mopar, bro. Not here. Now Mopar anywhere else, absolutely would. Go Hellcat, get your little red eye, bro. You good, but no, bro. Not in Florida, bro. Florida, you got a Hellcat. You really, that's like a regular ass car here. But then you see a McLaren, you see a Lamb, you see, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like
I'm thinking this could be a little
Florida
bit
gonna
better.
force you to step your shit up. That's what I like about Florida. Because you're not the only one that's getting to it. That's why I like it. Like, you think you're special? Come to Florida. You'll see everything. Everything. I just saw like a Ford GT. People don't know what that is. Like, bro. Hundreds of thousands of dollars. Like, literally. I just saw a Ford GT the other day. I was getting my car washed. It was all blue. Bro, I'm like, but they be, listen. Bro, you come down here, you going like, all right, I'm back to earth. You really regular as hell. And then it forces you to bust your shit up. That's what I like for it. Same thing with LA, bro. You go to LA, you move from your hometown, you go to a major city like LA, you go to like that. Well, everybody got this. It's just not special. Everybody getting to it.
Plus, I didn't even see this. This weekly angle here.
It's inspiration for me. Like, it's not. I don't feel like it's competition, or I don't feel like it's like pressure. It's just motivation.
Because the other one, it just wasn't.
Well, if they did it.
It wasn't valid. This one a little bit more valid.
How you like BMW, man? Listen, I'm gonna say this right now. People gotta stop going off of what people say on YouTube and the internet. People are like, oh, BMW, they're high maintenance and it costs a lot to maintain. Bro, I done had the IA for 2 years. Bro, I'll be spent maybe like the only thing I had service was when my trunk, like one of my trunks, like latch broke. I had to get that replaced. That was only like $300, and then of course like oil change and all that. But other than that, like I'm not like.
I like to set up better.
For just you not
see
money
like where it is.
If you talking about anything else, you feel me? I can't really
on this 15-minute zone here.
And then people also be saying McLarens are terrible, bro. I know somebody that have a McLaren that literally is in great condition.
So
you don't be having it.
All I can really wait for is Wall Street volatility to potentially come here. I'll set up for it.
Some of them cars are actually built very well. They don't break down. Everybody's wrong for thinking, oh, McLarens are actually terrible exotic cars. It's not true, bro. People would know because they don't own it. You have to own the car to actually know. The oil change for IA is like $300.
2 to 1.
Not that much.
Yeah. Get some Wall Street volatility in there, and that's the setup I like.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm sorry, but them BMW is trash. I work at a manufacturing plant for BMW. They do not care. I mean, listen, I'm only giving you the experience of what I got with the BMW. This is my first ever BMW. I should have been in great condition. So, I mean, if you talking about all that other stuff, all the other BMWs, then yeah, but they made that very well. Nothing has broken. I'll barely be spending any money on it to get it fixed. Shit, it's a good car. Talking about like the M series or the other Beamers, and yeah, I only can speak for it. I've had it for so long, and I done drove it long periods of time. Why you still have NAS left? It's trash. Why you still have NAS left? It's trash. What do you mean NAS left? We're waiting. We got 4 minutes. We're waiting. Okay, so now US 30 just tapped into that 1 hour demand. Now if that 1 hour demand pushes up at the open, we're gonna know why it pushed up because it just touched that 1 hour demand right here. Let's see, man. Yeah, gold looked terrible today, man. Gold looked terrible today. I'm gonna be honest, man. Gold, this is just terrible, bro. This is looking terrible. I mean, as a pair, been trash for months. Oh, as a pair, I don't know, man. I'm just trying to get in the groove of trading it, but 2024, it just haven't really produced that many great setups. If I'm being honest, gold has been producing way more better setups than NAS this year, and we're in the 7th month this year. So yeah, bro, they got to do a little bit better. You can tell who knew here. The ones hating on Nas just because it's on vacation. I mean, no, don't get me wrong. Like Nas could definitely cook up consecutive great setups, but for the most part, it happened garbage this year for sure. If you brand new to day trading and you see Nas right now, you probably think it's trash. But I'm telling you, bro, Nas was definitely it could cook up some great stuff. For sure. What was your best year? I think 2023 was one of my best years for sure, especially with Nasdaq, bro. Like I can't really explain it. The amount of stuff that we caught last year off of Nas, it's just been, I can't really explain it. It's just race up, break a structure, come back to the zone, break the counter, hit 1-1. Like it just, I don't know.
I need that candle to close first.
When was the last time you went on a crazy run? A winning streak. The last time I went on a crazy run was when it was like a couple of months after I moved to Miami. Like when I first moved to Miami, I went on like a 6 winning streak. I was cooking. It was like 3 weeks in a row. 3 weeks in a row, I won, no losses, and then we finally lost. But like, I mean, we gotta, if we can get back on a winning streak. Again, the market gotta still produce good setups. Like I can't just we taking the setup and it's just gonna win. Like they gotta actually help us as well. I'm still taking the same setups. It's just during that time it was cooking up like never before. Going like a 6 winning streak, we was cooking. But yeah, 2024, man. That's why I said 2024. It's been moving weird.
All right, Wall Street open, about to hit.
All right, listen, man, we got 1 more minute, bro. We gotta lock in, bro. We gotta lock in.
So we finna get
A minute, man. Get ready. All right, let's see. I think it's gonna push up because it tapped into that 1 hour demand. But let's see though. Let's see. I know the open is just
unfucking predictable.
But I think it's gonna tap that 1 hour demand and push up. That's just me. But that's just my little analysis on that. Let's see what it do. Like this would be considered a liquidity grab. Like this swing taking out these swings, that's considered a liquidity grab right there. Let's see if my analysis is correct. I think they're gonna break above this wick and make a whole new high.
We come back and tap that one more time. Maybe it don't want to, but it'd be nice. I wasn't finna play that straight up.
Ooh. I'm still about to make gold go crazy. You think so? Melty. I'm like trying to grab liquidity for a second time.
Come on, tap. If you tap out, bye.
Ooh. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, Lord.
You're not 1 hour demand, bro. You got the 50 estimate right there on the 1 hour. Let's just see if it holds. Not pressing like you just want to break the wall. No, I'm being honest, bro. So it working.
Get out of there. I ain't gonna hold that no longer.
I'm over here thinking they're gonna push up. Well, this kind of right here is the screaming sellers are in the market right now. For real. Market's hella choppy today, nowadays. It's crazy. I'm telling you, man, trading open, you just, even if your analysis makes sense, they don't care.
It's too.
Somebody heard it right now, bro. I mean, This ain't really do nothing, bro. Like, ain't really do nothing. Like, US 30 like the only thing that's like moving crazy. Yeah, I'm looking at it. It look like it's about to become a valid. This zone, this 1 hour demand zone, like they're about to just break through it. It's a huge handle, bro. I wouldn't even be surprised. Like, look at this. It's about to start spiking down even lower, bro. Even the open ain't moving price on that, which is fast. Like, it's not even really doing anything. This is the candle right here. It's not doing anything. Where is the volume at NAS? This is one of the honestly, this is one of the slowest opens I've seen on NAS in a while. It didn't even do anything. And yeah, it's definitely gonna become a balance, bro. It's definitely gonna become a balance. News yesterday said there isn't much more gold left to mine, so interesting to see what gold does. You know, in fact,
That's how big of a loss was
I took
that?
a buy at the open for US 30. The break account aims that.
-3.
This is the dangerous things of trading open, bro. It's just too unpredictable. It's too unpredictable. Like, yes, setups will line up at the open, but it's just too unpredictable sometimes. You think it's a buy and it's for sale. I thought it was gonna reach up here. Now they're breaking the 1 hour demand. So bro, the open, let's just we gotta just let that just do its thing. Let them fake out traders not be a part of the fake out. This stuff is always gonna happen. Yeah, I'm surprised gold not really on anything, bro. Like, there's not even a single setup in sight. Like, I'm just looking at this, like, nothing is just like, ooh, we should take that. Like, gold is really not, it's not giving much. Look at that. Look at some volume. Oh, man. Look at the Dow Jones. Those boys, no, man. Go ahead and become a balance so we can delete these out. Stop playing with it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and break that down. Mm-hmm. Yep. Now the 1 hour doesn't matter anymore. It just goes right past. Now, do y'all see? Now look at this illustration, just real quick. Look real quick. They just took out London low. So this is New York. Look, the green is London, purple is New York. They did a New York reversal today. Like, that's literally what they did today on US 30. We taking buys right here, but that's the end of the trend for the most part. You're gonna see New York reversals for the most part. This is usually the structure. Right? Start down here, buys. New York traders come in, sales. Like, this is usually what's happening for the most part on a daily basis of the New York session. Now, if I look at gold, it's kind of like the same thing. Buys, London session, now New York session is becoming bearish. Let me go to, yeah, National 100 is really not doing anything. US 30 liquidity grab, but that's a 5B valid then since it took out the 1 hour. If you're talking about US 30, yeah, it would be valid. The only thing is, it just the zone is a little large though, but this is valid. Like, I'm not gonna act like it's not valid. It is valid. It just this also looks like a liquidity grab as well. We gotta be careful. Sure. Yeah, this zone is definitely large. I would definitely jump on something like this, but I'm gonna just leave this right here. See if they come back to that zone. Yeah, that's not doing anything, bro. And I'm not trying to take a supply stuff. So this is really like the only setup right now that we're getting, but it's just a huge zone. I just don't like that, and I don't want this count to be too large as well. Like, I want it to take not get to the zone too fast. Like if it come back to the zone in one count, I'm probably not gonna take it, bro. Especially if this one's pushed right back into it. Like, nope. We looking for sales. I'm looking at this chart right now, and I see that this is a break of structure. But I definitely don't want this to be a crazy long wick, though. That's not really ideal. But I'm looking at this supply right here on US 30. Yeah, we might call. We might call it a day, but we might. But listen, I kind of want to place a trade. I don't want to force a setup, but I kind of want to place a trade. I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I kind of want to. I just don't like this right here. This right here. Oh, I don't like that, bro. I don't like that. This kind of looking like more of a liquidity grab. Just grab those lows to go the other way. And now look at where we're at on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, 200 EMA is starting to flatten out, which means that if we was to take a supply setup right here, we're basically expecting price to come to the zone and break the 200 EMA, but it could potentially stay inside of the range though. So we're taking a supply setup right here to go at the bottom of the range. That's my analysis on this trade. If we was to take the supply setup, is we're looking at this market condition on the 1 hour as more of a range and consolidated market, and we're going to take a supply to go to the other side of the range on a higher time frame, if that makes sense. Hope people follow me.
Another setup I would have held. It would have hit.
Range of markets usually
at least be to break even.
The lower the range or the top of the range. So if we're taking sales, then we're potentially selling at the top of the range. That makes sense. But yeah, bro. Yeah, see, I don't like this. Now that the first candle actually came to the zone.
I would have hit my TP if I would have just held it.
It's not ideal, bro.
We'll wait for another setup.
I just hate when they come back that fast, bro. Usually stuff like this just don't be working out. Like when they come back the same count, like they just made the supply, and the next kind of come right back to the zone. These subs usually don't work out. I've seen it; it just don't work out. But again, ugly stuff have been winning. So since ugly stuff have been winning, I gotta be a little flexible, bro. Because ugly stuff have been winning, bro. That's not doing nothing. This is all we got right here.
I would have hit my profit, man. Right, I would have just held.
Let's get prepared, bro. I'm definitely going to try to lower my risk if I was to take sales. If we get the regular count to the downside, I'm probably going to take it. I just don't like the fact that they came back so fast. That's just not ideal, bro. I'm being honest. It's not ideal. Don't want to take mass liquidity grab. Mass liquidity grab. Unless you're talking about this kind of trend right here. If you're talking about that one, yeah. It's still going against the trend. It's probably not smart to take anyway, but I don't see no other liquidity grab. Interesting. So we got a 1 minute inside it.
Yeah, we gotta hold our trades, man. Every time we let it go early, man,
they don't have to reach for this to drop.
Get bopped. Every time we let it go early, we get bopped.
Why don't take the liquidity grab? No, you definitely don't want to take buys right here, bro. You definitely don't want to do that. Mm-hmm.
But I mean,
when your stop loss is huge, you don't want to have a huge stop loss taking a buy for a liquidity grab, and you still got 3 moving averages to break through. They can break through it, but you got to have some real momentum for it to get you break through 3 moving averages. And also the zone is going to become invalid too. So if you want to take buys, the stop loss is huge. Like period. Your stop loss is absolutely huge. So you got no choice but to lower the amount of contracts or your risk if you want to take buys right here. What? You take buys right here, your stop loss it gotta go down there. Like, we're not gonna put a stop loss right here because it can easily just pull back and you lose. So this is where I would put my stop loss, but bro, at 8, like what? Like no, it's just huge, bro. Almost like 81 points, 81 pips. Like this is actually CFD, so this would be considered pips. But just look at this, 81, too large. Absolutely not, bro. If you want to do that, you can. I don't like a huge stop loss, so I'm not. Okay, just tap the 1 minute. Just tap the 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, this is like the only trade that we got right now. There's really nothing going on. We're kind of forcing our hand right here. This is all we got. Doyle Nasdaq man 925 just broke the swing high. 925. Okay, this is a low probability demand, but it's valid though. It's just low probability. Yeah, I think we're gonna just take this right here, man. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This is all. I think this is what they're gonna give us. So this is where our stop loss will go. This is where our entry will be. If this is gonna be the break of the candle, and our first target is gonna be right there. So let's see what they do, man. See what they do. Hopefully they don't give us a bigger stop loss than this, because it's going to reject off of that 1 minute inside of the 5 minute supply on US 30. But yeah, let's get ready, man. If you feel like the setup is not quality, lower your risk. If you feel like this is a trash setup, don't take it. You feel me? But we're gonna take a sale right here off the break of the candle if they give us the break of the candle. Trade at your own risk. Make sure you don't over leverage and try to go full margin. Bro. Don't do that, bro. Yeah, once we break that low, we're gonna get it. Get our platforms ready, bro. We got 3 seconds. All right, get ready. Get ready. Get ready. You gotta break that low first. If you don't break that low, we're not getting in. Get ready. Everybody get a break. Let's see. All right, I'm in sales right now. I'm in sales. We are in sales right now. Hopefully it doesn't do a fake out. We can get a win and have a good day. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Actually, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Go, come on. See. See. It's usually the first break of the candle usually is a fake out. This is like it's a fake out. All right, I'm still in right now, but it's looking like a fake out for sure. Yeah, the market is garbage today. Damn, bro. I'm still holding, y'all. I'm not out of the trade just yet, but this is not looking good. Y'all know how fake outs be looking. For real, it's not looking good. Yeah, it's faking out for sure. All right, I'm on the trade. I'm on. I ain't out of the trade. So the market just keep producing fake outs. Yeah, yeah. That setup looks good as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. Now the buy is actually gonna look crazy. We avoided 3 fake outs just to lose. Come on. The market is producing garbage. What is going on? Look at today. Today is terrible.
All right, that's 2 L days in a row.
Takeouts just for another
So we're gonna
spoon.
take a Matador.
Bruh, come on.
Matador. Take a day off
Do I
tomorrow.
want to take a second step and just walk away with a loss? This is annoying, bro.
Shit, I'm done.
This is the only set that we actually.
I'm done. Try to take a setup with my boy Duel. Then it got faked out. I mean, it's like I said, it's with the EMAs too. It's just cheats, man. Like market just. I kind of fucked up on this setup here. This one on me. I should have held, but granted, I mean, it was so volatile. Like, and I mean, it's like that 15-minute candle won't. I can't even really blame myself and want to hop out of that. Cause that candle, come on, man. Like you gotta. All right, so you got all this bearish movement. You got this doji, bullish bearish, and you got this weak bullish candle, and then it give you this a spike down. It's just one of those. Like I said, we'll evaluate later. That I can't even get too mad at me hopping out of that early. But I mean, like I said, we managed to even when I took that second trade, I made sure I wasn't finna blow my account, right? Let's see. Like I said, we had minus 1% again. 2 L days in a row. We'll be back Thursday. Yeah, I'm gonna just head out now. You know it sucks, but gonna take tomorrow off. I got some other stuff to handle too, so proper risk. Can't be but so mad. Hopefully the end of the week, kind of like last week, the end of the week is better than the beginning of the week. We'll catch some, man. Market is the market sometimes. There we go.